Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can solve the Roblox Error 279, which is basically a server disconnection error. It appears when the game cannot connect correctly to the server or when it's related to connection issues, slow internet, firewall blocks, or browser incompatibility. How are we going to do this? How can we fix it? It's actually very simple. First of all, I'm going to share the main screen so you can see everything clearly. And here we are, ready. Here you'll be able to see my entire screen so you can see what we need to do. First, we need to check if it's not a connection problem. How can we make sure of this? First of all, we're going to turn the Wi-Fi on and off. You can do this without any problem on your mobile device, Android, iOS, iPad, whatever you have at hand, and even on my computer. Because even though I'm playing connected directly to the router, I can still turn my Wi-Fi on and off. And that way, I disconnect the internet. We can restart the router, switch to a different Wi-Fi network, use mobile data to test, or even connect by cable, which is my case. If we're on PC, we must keep in mind that this can also happen if we have a VPN active. In my case, as you can see, I have this VPN. What do I need to do? I need to disconnect it, and that way I won't have any more issues related to the connection or specifically with this error. We will also need to remove the browser's proxy settings, and we'll have to remove extensions that modify our IP. We're going to use compatible browsers. Which ones? In this case, I'm using Chrome, which is fully compatible with Roblox, also Edge, which is also compatible with Roblox, and lastly Firefox, and we can also include the Safari browser, which also works correctly since it's from Apple. These are the browsers we can use without any compatibility problems. We're also going to clear cache and cookies. If we're on our iPad or Android device, we need to go to Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data, and then delete cache and cookies. We also need to allow Roblox in Firefox, the Windows version. If Firefox blocks Roblox traffic, Error 279 will logically appear. For that, we need to go to the Control Panel. We're going to click on the search bar, this little magnifying glass, and look for Control Panel. In my case, everything is in Spanish, but we just need to go to this panel, so simply follow the numbers and the icons. Once we're here, what do we need to do? We need to look for Firewall, and here we simply click it, and it will open a list of different sections. We just need to go, for example, to the Troubleshooting section to see if there's a problem with our firewall. We can check its status and allow a specific application. And here we would simply look for the Roblox application. Since I don't have it installed right now, I won't be able to find it. But basically, this is what we would need to do inside this Control Panel section. We'll also need to temporarily disable any antivirus. If none of the above works, we will need to reinstall the Roblox player and check that the game doesn't have heavy scripts, in case we are a creator in Roblox Creations. And we must also take into account that if we're using a school or work network, these networks often block Roblox traffic and cause this error. And basically, that's everything. These are the only ways we can remove this error without any issues.